Welcome to my webpage. I will go directly to the point because I know nobody likes stories but facts. What I'm gonna show you here it's how I outrank competition and come on the third place on Google, on first page of Google for very competitive keyword and searched keyword. So I choose dating niche. It's very profitable and always hot niche. So in the word or phrase I enter, you see British sex contacts. I choose United Kingdom because it's British normally, and I choose English for the language. So down more, global monthly search, more or equal to 1000 or and till less and equal 10,000 global monthly search. Here I put phrase, so I check phrase. I unchecked broad like it's in the normal version to give me exact results. And when I hit search, you will see the results here. So it's British sex contacts, my main keyword, have 8,100 global monthly search. You have more keywords here. What I'm searching here, it's a keyword that meets some criteria, and this one, this is the one. But not only this, you need to find a low competitive keyword. So in the niche, in the dating niche, it will be very hard to find it. But the system I use, I really, believe me, I don't care about the competition because it's very easy to outrank them. I will show you later. So I choose British sex contacts. When you click here, it will show you the, it's come like this. You see, sorry, will be like will be like this. So British sex contacts I put in quotes, and will give you how many competitive web page exist for the British sex contacts keyword. So here it is, 394 thousand competitive web page. So it's very high competition on that keyword. But if you uncheck the keyword, you will see exact websites that compete for that keyword. Sorry guys, but on third place it's me. This one it's my web page. Oh yeah, on the third place, on the first page of Google. So what I do, how I outrank this competition, how I came on the first page of Google with a simple website, and how I outrank all the competition out there. Main thanks I had to give to Google Sniper system. So the Google Sniper, I'm inside the Google Sniper area, and this is the system that show me how to do it. So it's not explain some blah 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 stories about some successful gurus or something like this. It's tell exact method on how to set up all page from A to Z. So from the very beginning to the very end, to the sales, how to set up the page and become on the first page on Google and drive traffic on an organic way. So Google Sniper 2.0, I'm now in. When you buy it, it have a price. Of course, it's not free. When you buy it, you will come to the inside main administration area, main sniper area, your personal area, and you have Google Sniper 2.0. You see all what you have inside, what you get inside. So it's Google Sniper manual. Then you have some videos. So it's Google Sniper video modules, all video. This video, the first ones. So these 7 videos. It's a fundamental one, so it's the one who will show you exact how to start, you see, how to pick up the winning product, then how to finding keywords that meet the sniper criteria, creating the foundation of your sniper site, secrets of 20% conversion rate, how to make more money by pre-selling, the fastest way to clock affiliate links, how to create your site, technical stuff, and and how to get ranked and gain authority in the record time. So these 7 videos, it's the essential one. So if you get only these 7 videos, what it costs 47 US, you will get everything. So you will know exact system. You will set up exact system like I do, and you will outrank every page that you find out on Google. It's very easy, very good, profitable system. So I think it worth change 47 US for 500 and even more daily, what you get from the one sniper site. So this is inside the Google Sniper area. It's Google Sniper 2000, but you have more. You see further training, Empire module, Rolodex, Sniper X, getting started. So let's go, let's say what is here, getting started. It's one video that show you how to start. All files you see are downloadable, so you can download it, no need to be after on the internet to check it. Let's go now, further training. What is this area anyway? You find some really have some technique and strategy. So golden nuggets you learn, backlinks and boosting your sniper site, conversion, social media, CPA, and much more. You see all in the videos. So you have all inside the video presentation. I think it's more than 10 hours of video presentations, and a very good presentation. You see special guest, full-time Google Sniper Alex share his techniques for guaranteed #1 rankings, and much more. What products have converted best on ClickBank, introduction to CPA and Google Sniper. You have lots of videos. Let's go forward. Empire module. You see here, intention here is to show you the fastest, simplest, easiest way to grow your single Google Sniper 2.0 site and into a full-time income. So you have all videos, outsourcing blueprint. You see lots of videos, ideas for business development. Okay, let's go more further. Rolodex, it's links for another site, useful site that you can use for your sniper. Question and answer webinar, very good. This very nice section here, because here they explain some case studies, what other people do, and what they need to do to improve their rankings and sales, everything. You see how much video you have here. And support, of course, you can contact them anytime. So let's go back one another time. Sorry, it's our British Sex Contact. So I choose this keyword, 8100 global monthly search. Sorry, 394,000 competitive web page, and on this competitive web page you see I'm on the 3rd place. And what's more, you see this is my video. You see the same domain. So British Sex Contacts YouTube is on the 6th place. So I can say I dominate this page with this keyword, British Sex Contacts. Very high competitive keyword and search keyword. So my earnings are very good with this one site. In the end, I just will tell you that I have 25 websites already done. 23 are on the first page on Google, and 2 of them are on the first page. Sorry, 23 are on first place on the first page, and the other 2 are on the first page but not on the first place. But I'm trying to do my best to bring them on the first place. So that's all. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Hope you will be one of the snipers and to join me in this wonderful program. Okay, bye guys, see you.